Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are doing something very special, another unboxing video. This time a different lightsaber. Of course you can't do that. You can't unbox the same lightsaber. Now, in full disclosure, I've already opened this and played with this a little bit, but I'm doing something that I haven't done yet. I'm going to turn it on with the blade intact. So this is something very special, and spoiler, I guess, if you haven't seen Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker, because technically this is from the film, but it's in the very first trailer they showed of Star Wars Celebration too. So this is Rey's Reforged lightsaber from Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. It's not the black one that with the twist on with the yellow blade. Spoiler alert. This is the one you see, like I said before, from the trailer, and it's actually Luke Skywalker's lightsaber that she fixed after it breaking apart in Snoke's throne room in The Last Jedi. So as always, it comes in this really cool box. This is one of the reasons why I love these lightsabers so much. The box is just so cool. On the bottom, it gives you instructions on how to change the batteries. You can see Rey's Reforged saber and the price there of $129, I believe. $129.99. So let's go ahead and open this box. So the boxes are a little hard to open sometimes, but get a look at this. This thing is just gorgeous sitting. This might be honestly one of the best looking and most detailed of all the lightsaber hilts you can find at Dok Ondar'S. It is just really well done. I was a little worried when I first took this out of the box how it was going to go onto a belt clip, because there's no ring like on the other one. Let me get the other one just for comparison's sake. So this is the non-reforged lightsaber. Rey's, Anakin's, Luke's, whichever one you want to call it. It is the original lightsaber you see in Star Wars, and it's one of my favorites. And I wasn't really sure if I liked this look of it, of the reforged one, until you start noticing how different they really kind of are. You notice the ignition switch, whatever this is called. The way you turn the lightsaber on this is much smaller than this one. This has the band-aid around it from her putting it back together. I wish this thing would just focus on the lightsaber, not my face. Boom. Perfect. Cool. It's really cool. I like these a lot. I have a bunch of these Dok Ondar'S lightsabers. I think they're really cool. So let's see what it looks like lit up. I haven't done this yet. The blades are sold separately, by the way, if you didn't know that about Dok Ondar'S. Wrong blade. Where's my actual blade? Oh, no it's not. Sorry. I forgot. This little piece here comes out. Not the wrong blade. That little sound there. Do that again so you guys can hear it. That sound means that the blade is... There it is, listen. That means that it is in the right position. And now we turn it on. Woohoo! It's bright! It's the same as the other one, but man, this looks cool. I love this lightsaber. This might be... I don't know. It might be my favorite one, but what I was talking about before, the belt clip, I forgot to finish that sentence. The way that this works is, it just pops out. One of the little black things here is just a little belt clip, and you can just slide it on like this. Just boom. Just like it does in the movie for her. She kind of pulls it off her thing she's wearing there. So this is a great addition. Now, there's some conflicting reports on these. I've seen from people that they are limited edition. I've seen that they are not limited edition. I don't know. I do know they are still sold out of Ben Solo's lightsaber, which I also have. But I did talk to a cast member today, and the cast member told me that they are in fact limited edition. They only get a few of these in, so that's why I bought it today, because I don't want to not have it. So here it is, Rey's Reforged lightsabers. I'm really hoping that they get Leia's lightsaber in at some point, but other than that, I'm kind of done with buying lightsabers for a while. I have too many as it is. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this and like more Star Wars stuff, you can check out our podcast, Jedi Talk, over on Apple, iTunes, wherever you find your podcast, it is there. May the Force be with you. Always.